Okay. Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be doing a cleaning video today. I'm going to be taking down all of my Christmas decorations and just getting the house back in order. Today is January 2nd. Yeah, Thursday, January 2nd, 2020. So I have made a list of everything I need to get done today. I don't even know if you can see that. No, you can't. But it just says I need to clean my bedroom. I need to clean the kitchen. It's a bit of a situation. Take down all the Christmas decorations and just get everything back in order. I do need to sweep and mop the kitchen and here in the entryway. The living room, you know, get all the Christmas decorations taken down and then just vacuum it and straighten it up. And then vacuum mainly the living room and then this room here behind me. This is our formal living room. I need to vacuum in there and get all that taken care of. And then I need to dust the big dining room table and get that all un-Christmassy and everything too. So yeah, pretty much today is just cleaning and undecorating with me. I figured I would hurry and do this little spiel at the beginning so that it just saves me time having to do a voiceover. I may pop in here every once in a while throughout the video and just kind of explain what it is I'm doing. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and let's just get on into it.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Every day I feel time slipping, passing, skipping by. All the words I could say just can't really seem to stay. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me.
If you can tell, my appearance is different than it was at the beginning of this video. I only got my bedroom done yesterday. I ended up getting distracted. Then I cooked dinner, then I got everyone to bed, and then I just wanted to chill. So it is the next day. We're going to continue with our list. I don't know if I'll get everything done today. But I'm hoping to get most of it done, definitely all the Christmas decorations taken down. So yeah, I look like a hot mess today. I'm in cleaning mama mode, so I figure there's no sense in putting makeup on and doing my hair if I'm just gonna sweat while I'm cleaning. So yeah, we're gonna get this Christmas decorations taken down because I would like to spend the weekend just doing whatever. So yeah. Let's just get back on into the video.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it all. Whoa, whoa, I wish that you were here. Whoa, whoa, I wish that you were here.
I wish that you were. 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 I wish that you were.
There's not a single day that passes, not even 1 minute can end up. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want. But I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it all. Whoa, whoa, I wish that you were here. Whoa, whoa, I wish that you were here.
I wish that you. 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 I wish that
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, oh
Okay guys, that is all for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed the video and it gave you some good cleaning motivation or motivation to put your Christmas decorations away if you haven't already. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go down and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go down and hit the subscribe button if you are new here and haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way.